This is the yellow Sony SRS-XB01 mini Bluetooth speaker. This ultra-compact speaker is built for portability, featuring a sleek rounded design and a handy matching carrying strap. On the top you'll find easy access physical buttons. To power it on, simply press the power button once. A small LED will light up on the front grille. If it doesn't automatically look for devices, press and hold the power button for about 3 seconds until you hear a beep and the light flashes rapidly. Once it is flashing quickly, it's ready to be discovered by your devices. Grab your smartphone, open your Bluetooth settings, and look under available devices for SRS-XB01. Tap on the speaker's name to begin the connection process. When the pairing prompt pops up on your screen, simply grant permission and click Pair. You will hear a confirmation chime from the speaker, and your phone will show it's successfully connected and active, allowing you to enjoy your music. I hope this quick video helps you connect your speaker to a Bluetooth device